Hi class, so today I'm going to teach you how to do an internal hyperlink using PowerPoint. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new slide, and that first slide is just going to be my table of contents. And in my table of contents, I'm just going to create a simile and a metaphor page. So when I do my external hyperlink, I'm going to have my simile connected to my simile slide and my metaphor connected to my metaphor slide. So I'm going to go back up here to new slide, create those slides. So I just have my simile. I'm going to do the same thing with my metaphor. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go back to the table of contents. I'm going to highlight my simile, go right up here to this insert tab, all the way down to the hyperlink. And this is where it starts to get a little tricky. So if you want to do an external hyperlink, you go ahead and click on this web page. But because we're going from one slide to the next in our PowerPoint, we're going to click on Document. And we're just going to come right down here where it says Anchor, and we're going to push on the Locate button. So we can do first slide, last slide, next slide, previous slide, but we're going to customize our slides. So I'm going to go ahead right here to Slide Titles and go down to my simile. I'm going to press OK, and then I'll press OK again. So now you see that this button is highlighted. So if I go into my slideshow and I press play from start, I start out at my title page. And I go to my next page, which is the table of contents. If I click on simile, that'll take me directly to my simile page. We can do the same thing from our simile page back to our table of contents, which I will show you right now. So if I go to simile, and I'm just going to type in home, and that'll be our universal sign for our table of contents. So I'm going to do the same thing, highlight home, go back up into our insert, down to hyperlink, again to anchor, locate, customize our slides, and then back to the table of contents, press OK again. So if I go back up into my slideshow, play from start, we go our title page, then we have our simile. So I'm going to click on our simile, all the information's there, and then I'm going to go back home to our table of contents where I could choose any other slide that I want to go to. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you next class. Thanks.